You might be thinking to yourself, hey Gagan, everyone's home, you're at home too, you have a lot of time in your hands, and this may be the best time for you to make as many videos as you humanly can, you dumb fuck. I just finished watching this anime called Naruto Shippuden. I think that's the most Indian way of saying it. And I assume that this is an anime that you've heard of. Basically this anime where the protagonist, Naruto, is basically on a journey to become the Hokage, the most powerful and respected figure in his village. And this one sentence, usually with a story that is tailored to fit the enemy's situation. Hey, how are you? And if you're wondering why the lighting has changed, and if you notice that it's another day that I'm shooting, you might be very pleased to know that the freaking microphone decided to crash on me. So I'm having to record all of this again. So Naruto, the protagonist of the show I was talking about, basically has this one line that he uses to somehow capture the enemy's heart and turn him around. And there are a lot of memes going around the same thing, that the only thing that Naruto has in reply to many things thrown at him is the one sentence, I am going to be Hokage one day. And as funny as that one sentence being overused is, I genuinely think that this is something that we all can learn. We often tend to complicate things, often tend to tangle things up in our goals, our ambitions. Usually in these tangles that we tend to get lost. And coincidentally, this is when I realized how many times Naruto used the same sentence over and over again just to motivate himself or the people around him. And this definitely made me realize something. Results are results of your actions, and your actions are results of your intention. So if your intention is pure, untainted, and you know what your intention is, you honestly have nothing to worry about. Because more often than not, we have problems because of things that we did, and sometimes because of things that we didn't do. And when I say problems, I'm talking about the problems that come together with friends, family, and every other social relationship. And personally, I think that these problems are the hardest to solve. We are taught throughout our childhood that if you have to build a tall building, the foundation has to be strong. This is simply another way of saying that your intentions will decide who you become. So in conclusion, every time I face problems, be it dealing with people who were offended by something I said like 300 years ago, or doing something that is conflicting to others, because honestly in this digital age, you are bound to offend some people with any of your opinions. Even if it is factually right, people are bound to be offended. A lot of people tend to question themselves and ask things like, was I too harsh on him or her, or did I do the wrong thing? I want to stop myself from asking all these petty and honestly pointless questions, and ask the one question that truly matters. Were my intentions behind the action right? This question usually answers all my problems. And of course you have the liberty of choosing what is right to you and what might be wrong to another person, because truth is subjective, and so are rights and wrongs. Money far outweighs the value of people in lives. You might want to ask me why, and I'm pretty sure I have a pretty steadfast answer to that. Always remember that you will have to take conflicting short-term steps to reach your long-term goal. And in time, people are bound to understand why you did what you did. There's this one quote that couldn't put it any better. So until next time, do your best and freaking wash your hands.
That's all it is, Miles. A leap of faith.
Like, what's up, danger? Like, what's up, danger? Like, what's up, danger? Like, what's up, danger?